Hi everyone, my name is James Lester B. Colle from Disipet 31. Napapaisip rin po ba ako kung how things like AR po, artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, or even metaverse po is possible. Lahat po niyan is, ang core po is GPU or graphic processing unit. Today po, mag-share po ako kung ano po ang natutunan ko. Learn how GPU started po, or how they change and where they might take us in the future. GPUs po were first made for gaming po talaga, for smoothness, ganun. Dati po kasi masyado pong lag or nag-error po, ganun. GPUs were made for gaming. Their job was to make video games look better and run faster. Back then, they only worked on graphics like making shadows, color, and animation more realistic. But in 2006 po, Nvidia changed everything by making GPUs more powerful, so they could handle other tasks, not just graphics. Ngayon po, yung GPUs po natin can do 1,000 of tasks at the same time po, making them super useful po for nowadays, or like AI and big data. Kasi po they're much faster than regular CPUs for this job. This simple change turned GPUs into a big deal in technology. Why GPUs are important for AI? GPUs have become essential for artificial intelligence po. Yung AI po kasi is needs a lot of data to learn, and GPUs can process that data mas mabilis po. For example po, in self-driving cars, GPU help the car see by analyzing video from cameras po, and making decision in real time. Other industries use GPUs too. In healthcare, they're used to find patterns in DNA to develop new medicines. In entertainment, they behind the stunning visual we see in the movies and games. It's amazing how yung mga nakikita pa natin sa movie, yung mga CGI, yun po, nakagawa mas smooth po. GPUs and metaverse po. Kung alam niyo po yung metaverse, ang metaverse po is a virtual world where people can meet or work or play po. GPUs are what make it possible po. They create the detailed environment and make everything run smoothly. Yun nga po sinasabi ko is smooth po pag mas mataas yung GPU. Without GPUs po, metaverse will just hindi po magagawa. Imposible po. They're also called digital twins. These are virtual copies of real things like a car or even entire GPU's power. This is stimulation so people can test things in virtual worlds before trying them in real life. This could save time and money and resources. Future acceleration GPU development. The The future of GDU development, GPU, is nothing short of extraordinary. As technology advances, GPUs are becoming faster, more efficient, and more specialized. Kung titignan naman po natin dati is yung mga games po is parang ano po, kulang pa po sila sa graphics or yung sa smoothness po. Minsan po nagkakaroon ng glitch, ganun. Take Nvidia's latest GPU architectures, for example, which are optimized not just for gaming but also for AI, machine learning, and edge computing. We're also seeing innovation like quantum computing and AI specific accelerators which could complement or even challenge traditional GPUs. However, this acceleration brings important question. How do we ensure that GPUs remain accessible to everyone? How do we address the growing energy demands of this powerful system? As we move forward, we're like to see GPUs at the core of emerging technologies like real-time holographic displays, edge AI devices, and even advanced robotics. That possibilities are endless po. Add ko lang po dun sa GPUs and the metaverse. Imagine po being in a virtual world where you can interact with the others as if you're physically there. This require immense computing power with GPUs provide. They also work in tandem with AI to create realistic avatars, real-time language translation, and predictive behaviors in these virtual spaces. Additionally, and add ko na rin po dun sa future acceleration of GPU development. We're also yung GPUs for becoming faster, more efficient po, and specialized as year passes po. Personal reflection as a future engineer and leaders will have the opportunity to shape how these technologies impact the world. In GPU lang po, as GPUs are tools lang naman po. They amplify what we create with them. It's up to us to decide or how we use them. On one hand, the advancement in AI, autonomous vehicle, and the metaverse offer incredible benefits: safer transportation, more efficient industries, and entirely new ways to connect with each other. On the other hand, these technologies raise concerns about privacy, ethics, and sustainability. Its balancing act will be the ones navigating it. Personally, I believe that the potential of GPUs and AI po is limitless. But as we build the future, we must remember that technology is a mean to an end. It should serve humanity, not the other way around. The journey of GPUs is a testament of human creativity, and their future depends on how we choose to use them. In conclusion po, GPUs have come a long way from their humble, or kung saan po sila kumpisa, yun nga po, ginawa po para sa games. Nag-evolve lang po sila maging essential po, or essential tools for AI, digital twins, and metaverse. And yung sa future po na GPU is marami pa pong or GPUs future holds even more promise. As we move forward, let's ensure that this technology are used responsibly, inclusively, and sustained. Thank you for listening, and I love. Thank you po sa lahat. Yan lang po.